Leo, I used to think native speakers never make English mistakes.
Same. Then I started noticing natives make errors all the time. It was liberating.
Today, we're sharing common mistakes that even native English speakers make regularly.
This takes pressure off learners. You don't need to be more correct than natives.
Let's start with grammar mistakes natives make constantly.
Mistake 1. Me and my friend went to the store, instead of my friend and I went to the store.
Grammatically incorrect, but you hear it everywhere in casual speech.
Mistake 2. I should have done that, instead of I should have done that.
Should have is wrong. It's should have or the contraction should have.
But natives mishear should have as should have and write it wrong.
Mistake 3. There's 3 people instead of there are 3 people.
Theirs is singular, but natives use it with plurals constantly in casual speech.
Mistake 4. Confusing your and your.
Even educated natives mix these up in writing. You're going to love this, instead of you're going to love this.
Mistake 5. Confusing its and its.
This confuses everyone. The dog wagged its tail. Should be its tail.
Now let's discuss pronunciation errors natives make.
Many natives say espresso instead of espresso.
February instead of February.
Many natives say library instead of library.
Many natives say ax instead of ask.
These are common pronunciation variations among natives.
Let's cover vocabulary mistakes natives make.
Natives often say, I could care less, when they mean, I couldn't care less.
Could care less implies you do care, but everyone says it wrong.
Literally, used for emphasis when nothing is literal, I literally died laughing.
You didn't literally die, but natives use literally for exaggeration constantly.
Irregardless instead of regardless. Irregardless isn't even a real word.
But you hear it from natives all the time.
Now, why are we teaching you native speaker mistakes?
3 important reasons. First, it removes perfectionism pressure.
If natives make mistakes and still communicate successfully, you can too.
Second, it helps you understand real English, not just textbook English.
You'll hear these mistakes everywhere. Knowing they're common helps you understand native speech.
Third, it shows that communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Native speakers prioritize being understood over being grammatically perfect.
So what should learners do with this information?
Learn the correct forms so you can write properly and speak in formal situations.
But don't panic when you hear natives using incorrect forms casually.
And don't judge yourself harshly for making similar mistakes.
In casual conversation, many mistakes are acceptable and common.
However, in formal writing, essays, reports, applications, correct grammar matters here.
Professional presentations or important meetings, careful speech is important.
Teaching or explaining something, you want to be clear and accurate.
But casual conversation with friends? Relax. Small mistakes are fine.
Let's share our experiences with this realization.
When I discovered natives make mistakes constantly, I stopped being terrified of speaking.
I stopped pausing for 10 seconds to ensure perfect grammar before speaking.
My fluency improved because I prioritized communication over perfection.
And ironically, speaking more led to fewer mistakes naturally.
Here's the key principle. Aim for clarity, not perfection.
If people understand you, you've succeeded, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
Can you get your message across? That's what matters.
Now let's discuss when mistakes do matter.
Formal writing, essays, reports, applications. Correct grammar matters here.
Professional presentations or important meetings. Careful speech is important.
Teaching or explaining something, you want to be clear and accurate.
But casual conversation with friends? Relax. Small mistakes are fine.
Let's give final encouragement.
Native speakers make mistakes in their own language constantly.
You're learning a second language. You're already doing something impressive.
Don't hold yourself to higher standards than native speakers hold themselves to.
Focus on improvement, not perfection. Every conversation makes you better.
All right, everyone, stop being so hard on yourself.
Make mistakes, learn from them, keep communicating.
Comment one mistake you've been worried about making.
See you in the next video.
Communicate confidently, mistakes and all.